So you might be in a situation where for some reason your specific Instagram account isn't giving you that messenger update. Now, what does this mean? Well, essentially within Instagram, it now can connect with Facebook. So if you want to, you can go ahead and have your messages pretty much connect straight with Facebook, which is actually really nice. So if you want to go ahead and do this and you want to change this up, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and number one, make sure Instagram is up to date. If your Instagram application is severely outdated, that is going to be the main reason why you're running into this problem. So what you want to do here is you want to go ahead and basically open up your specific app store and you want to go ahead and search up Instagram. So click right here and all you want to do is go and search up Instagram just like this. And this is a majority of the time going to fix this problem. So go and click on your Instagram application and all you want to do here is update Instagram. Now, like I mentioned, this is going to be the main way to fix it from everything that I've seen before. So just go ahead, update Instagram, and that's pretty much all you're going to have to worry about. Now, if that's still not working, you also may want to make sure that you have Messenger installed on your phone as well. You can also just install Facebook if you want to for the time being. So what I'd recommend doing is going through, typing in Facebook if you want to. You can also type in Messenger, download both those applications, which I already have them downloaded. And then all you have to do is pretty much at this point, open up Instagram and you should be able to log in and then bring your Messenger application with that as well. Now, if that's still not working, the next thing you may want to do is make your way over to your profile page in your profile settings. Now, when you come into settings, what you can do is click on update messaging, which is right up here. Now, when you do that, it will go and give you this pop-up. So now what you want to do here is you want to go and click update, and that will go ahead and bring you straight into your update panel, and it will go ahead and bring basically update Messenger. So now your messages will go ahead and link up with Messenger, and that's basically all you're going to have to do. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.